Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the materials, open your resume in Word and a copy of the photo in a simple editor. Crop to the intended portrait size because Word's resizing can blur images. Once resized to about 2x 2 inches or 35x 45 mm, export as PNG or JPEG at 300 dpi. This preserves detail. Save both files. Now insert the image into the document using Insert Pictures, so placement and formatting steps come next. Make sure to keep the backup copy as you work. Once the image is in place, click it and choose Layout options. Pick square or tight wrap so text flows predictably. Then use Format Picture to set exact width and height. Type numbers rather than dragging. This avoids distortion. Next, open Picture Corrections and Color Tools to adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Small tweaks fix exposure and make the face crisp. If background needs removing, use Remove Background or an external tool before reinserting. Finally, anchor the picture to the heading paragraph for stable positioning. To finish, confirm alignment with margins and group the photo with nearby header elements so it won't jump during edits. If file size is a concern, use Compress Pictures at 150-220 ppi. Be cautious, overcompressing causes soft detail. Then save as. Docx and export a PDF to preserve layout for sending. If things go wrong, blurry, pixelated image, replace it with the original high-resolution PNG. Re-enter exact dimensions and reapply sharpen and contrast. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.